Caramel popcorn. We love taking a big bag full to our hometown football game or enjoying some while we watch a movie together. It's super easy and quick to make. Just start by melting a cube of unsalted butter in a large pot on your stovetop. Once that melts, add 2 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of white Karo syrup. Bring this all to a boil and continue to let it boil until it reaches the softball stage. I just eyeball this. I wait until it all foams up to the top, and then I let it continue to boil at that point for about a minute. Remove it from the heat, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix that in well. Pour this over a large bowl of popcorn. You can use microwave, air pop, or even leftover movie theater popcorn, whichever you prefer. At this point, you have a few options. If you like a crunchier caramel popcorn, similar to Cracker Jacks, then spread this out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and let it bake in a 200-degree oven until it's the texture you desire. Or just enjoy it soft in the bowl. That's our favorite. I also use this same recipe to make little Halloween treats for our grandkids. I just use a food serving glove, fill it with the caramel popcorn, and it's ready for them whenever they arrive. I hope you enjoyed this as much as we do. Thanks for watching.